like that. Like us on Facebook and please share the picture with us.
That's ready to go.
All right, we're gonna try to keep the toy short. 8-month-old dog here. Get very excited, guys. Tell her to get it. Get excited up there.
Woo!
Get excited. Now, this is a 2-foot drop. 2-foot drop sometimes it's scary for dogs at first. No, we're not going to push her. Push her in. We don't want to scare the dog. No pushing the dog in. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yes. Get it. That's okay. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. I don't have a problem with this. The dog is going into the water under his own power, wanting to go. I don't have a problem with this.
At least he
The
figured it
dog's not
out.
afraid of the water. Just a little afraid of the 2-foot drop. Come on. There you go. 8-month-old puppy. Pretty smart already. Knew exactly where to go. Try to get up there.
Aww.
Get that. Get it. Get it. You gotta get that.
Waves.
Get that. Get it.
Are you trying to get? Oh, I'm getting tired.
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go right back up and give it a try here.
They need to throw it as soon as it hits.
We've been put on shows for about 12 years now. I've seen a lot of different dogs jump.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
It's like riding a bike for kids. Some kids learn how to ride a bike really fast. Take some kids
Come on,
a little bit longer how to ride a bike.
Jump, jump, jump. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on.
I want to push him in just a
Yeah, he wants to.
Get excited, Mom.
Come on.
So close.
Keep telling her to get it. Get excited up there, Dad. Pressing the easy button right here.
Oh. Oh, there you go. Well, he's
okay.
starting to jump.
We'll try one more time for now, okay? Come on.
He still wants to get up that way. Oh. They need to jump with him.
Cooper, you're up next. Okay? You are next. You gotta make at least 10
All right,
feet.
one more time here for this little puppy.
Oh, come on, come on.
Come
Do
on.
it. Do it.
Come on.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Jump, jump. Come on, jump.
Oh, come on.
Yes.
You can do it. He's about to jump. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Yes, get it.
Go, go, go. Come on. He's like, oh, there's that.
distracted.
Yeah. Jump, jump. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. Woo. You can do it. Come get it. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Jump, 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 jump. Oh. Come on.
Keep trying, guys. Keep trying.
Come on, come on, come on. Jump, jump. Woo. Come
She's
on.
close.
Come on. Oh, she wants to get it. Come
So
on.
bad.
Woo.
And you guys will see the process from the start, guys. That's how we start the dogs. Exit ramp.
Yeah.
Let them know that it's water, it's safe. Teach them how to get out of the pool if they decide to jump. You guys have seen it right there. Don't look back for that dog now. Hey guys, one more time. That dog jumped.